Good afternoon, this is Nick with Williams Sewer Line Inspectors, performing a video inspection of 1482 North Oriole Drive in Los Angeles. Right now we've pushed back underneath the house and we're looking at the piping which goes under the house. As we pull back, this is a plastic pipe. Looks to be, as all plastic pipes usually do, in very, very good condition. Actually, it looks to be installed rather newly. As we pull back, we'll see that the access point where we came into this and this access point allows us to go two directions. So as soon as we pull back, we'll actually turn around and go out towards the city street and the sewer. All of that pipe that we're able to see that's towards the house, underneath the house, is all plastic, which is good. Sometimes it'll be partially cast iron and partially plastic. In this case, it's all been replaced and upgraded. This is the access point. It's next to the front door. And we're going to go ahead and push out towards the street this time. Plastic at this point as well. You get a little bit of water just for a second here. Alright, so I've cleaned up the lens and we can see again. This is all plastic, looking to be in very good condition. We have a drop down in height here. It looks like a pipe change material to looks like a clay pipe now. Got some roots coming in. It's fairly typical for clay pipes. Alright. These joints seem to be doing very well, except for just some roots coming into them, which is typical and should be cleaned out in about 6 months' time. Here we have a bit of a crack. Get a better look at this. Looks like it's got some mortar in the crack itself. There's mortar there. Quite often, these clay pipes will break while they're being installed. And what's done is mortar is put around the break and it's pieced back together, particularly inside the joint. This doesn't typically cause a problem for the line. What we'll see when it does start to cause a problem is we'll see roots start coming in through the crack itself, and what I'm seeing right now is all the roots coming in through the joint. Since this isn't contained inside of a joint, I'm going to say that this is not in need of being repaired at this exact moment. What is this? Right here we have another crack. This is outside of the joint. Just make sure that this isn't a short section of pipe. And this appears to be a crack in the pipe. And here we have the joint. Alright. And then here we have the city sewer. That's that really fast moving water. It's going from the left to the bottom screen and to the right. The city sewer has been upgraded this time. It has a lining system in it which will prevent roots from backing up the city sewer. So that doesn't necessarily help your individual line very much, other than to prevent it from having trouble from the main access. This last joint looks to be doing pretty well. As far as I can see, it looks actually right in line. It's connected well. There's no major cracks that are visible. And then we pull back There's that small crack. And here, water is able to flow over this crack, but it's also in such a position, in such a way as it would allow water to escape into the surrounding soil around the system. With some roots coming into this, this will also expand and become a wider gap. It's really not acceptable to allow sewage to escape into the soil around a clay pipe or any sewer line. So I'll go ahead and locate this and see exactly where it is and its depth, and put that into my written report. Other than that, the line looks really good. All of the clay, except for this one point, seems to be in fairly good shape with decent connections. Not too many roots. Does need a cleaning in about 6 months' time. And a large portion of the line from this access point towards the street has also been replaced with plastic. It's just this one spot here that should at this time be repaired. Again, this is Nick with Williams Sewer Line Inspectors. Thank you very much, and have a great day.